Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the SOUNDCORE headphones and I'm going to tell you how you can easily use the all controls and gestures in these headphones. So at first we have the Siri. To call Siri we have to just hold this pause and play button here. Now as you can see it works. So let me disable Siri. And now, to pause and play our music, we have to just click pause and play button here. If you want to move to the next song, we have to hold the plus button here. As you can see, it works. And if you want to go to the previous song, we have to hold the minus button. Now, to increase the volume level, we have to click the plus button. Of course, when the song is turned on. And to decrease the volume level we have to click the minus button. Sounds easy, right? That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.